Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, dual moonroof, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, daytime running lights, compact spare tire. Come see the car for yourself.